Alright, y'all, so real quick, I'm doing a quick voiceover because my OBS camera was tripping a little bit. So this is a AU trade which I ended up getting out early. I'll explain why after at the end of the video. And then on the next part, I'm in a GU trade, a buy. And yeah, you guys will get to see both these trades transpire. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Alright, y'all, so real quick, let me just go over what transpired on the first trade I took, which was AUD USD. Let me do the replay mode real quick. So I woke up and I saw this supply being formed with break of structure, and I like the fact that it was coming in with momentum and leaving gaps. So I pretty much just was trying to go for a 1 and 2 and take it all the way to this demand right here. So I got in at the break of the candle, but as I was seeing this trade going on, I also saw that Euro USD and GU formed some demands. So as that trade was going on, EU was coming into this demand, and EU was also coming into this demand that formed right here as well. So I was like, okay, you know what, this might reverse, because London session has been going down and New York likes to reverse the other way, usually. So I was like, okay, if the next candle breaks this candle right here, I'm getting out. And that's exactly what happened. So I got out immediately as this candle was broken. I got out and took a small loss. I think it was what, $230, something like that. And then I moved on to EU and GU. I took GU. It was pretty simple. So demand formed, like I said, London session has been going down, and New York session likes to reverse the other way. So I just waited for the candle break, and I got my 1 to 2. Let me do a 1 to 2 right here. I got a little more than a 1 to 2, but yeah, either way, 1 to 2. I got out of my 1 to 2, and yeah, that was it. I ended up almost up 2% for the day, around $840, and I end the week with, yeah, I end the week almost up 2% on the challenge, which is fantastic, because I had a really bad start to the week, or to the challenge, which was last Friday, where I lost 2%. So that could have kept down spiraling and pretty much, you know, been down to the point where I may not be able to recover. But I did. I didn't record yesterday's session, but yesterday pissed me off a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday I was waiting all day for a setup. I didn't see one until like 9:40 a.m. and it was on SPX. Let me see. Let me look it up. Right here. So on SPX, I waited till the New York Stock Exchange open. I saw this demand that formed right here, and I also saw that it tapped into a 1 hour demand right here. So I saw a 5-minute demand in confluence with the 1 hour. That was a pretty good trade, and you know, I only ended up going for a 1-to-1 here because I just wanted to get the money and go, pretty much, because I've been waiting all day for a trade, and after 10 o'clock I usually don't trade at all. So it was like 9:35 when I took this trade, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just take a 1-to-1 and leave. But when I took this trade, apparently Magic Keys had a problem with the lot size, and it didn't put the correct lot size. So I only ended up $40 after the trade was done. That's not even 0.1% of the challenge or anything like that. So it was pretty much a wasted day. So I was mad, I'm not gonna lie. I was pretty pissed about it, because I mean, yeah, imagine waiting the whole morning till you see a setup, and you know, you win the trade. You waited the whole morning, you were patient, you did everything right, just for the incorrect lot size to happen, and you don't even end up 1% up. It's deflating, you know what I mean? It's deflating, especially if you're on a time limit on the challenge too, which hurts. It was pretty much a wasted day. I could have held for a 1-to-2 as well, because SPX ended up forming another demand right here, and this demand had actually broken a swing high, so this demand was actually even better. And yeah, I could have held for 1-to-2, but either way it was not. I would have been up, what, $80, because again, the wrong lot size. It was just tragic, that's all I can say. But yeah, I ended up the challenge. I ended up the week almost up 2% for the challenge, and yeah, we'll come back and kill it next week and see what happens. So yeah, I hope you guys had a good week, a good trading week, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will keep posting updates on the challenge, and you know, keeping you guys informed on what happens. And I wish you guys luck in your journey to trading financial freedom. You guys have a good one and take care.